Hello parents. So today I will show you Scratch app, website and app. So I will open Scratch. If you press on the link, you will come here, and when you press start creating, you will get on this screen. So this is the website of Scratch, and this is the link. I have given the link in the channel description. I will also give in the video description. And I will show you the app. So on Microsoft Store or Play Store, if you type here Scratch, here only you can see, or if you press enter, if you can see the yellow one, so this is Scratch, yellow one. This blue, red, it is something similar like that. So it is available here, or I will show you on Play Store. So here on Play Store, if you search Scratch, so you will get this app. This app is for kids, so this is for this app is for children below 3, and this app is for children up to 3. So you can order it, install. And when I open the app, so this is the app. So about my channel, I'm telling you about Scratch, and now about my channel. So on my channel, today we have learned about how to make a sprite in Scratch. After that, there are so many videos to see, and I am also making some playlists. So I'm telling you about Scratch, and your children can study it. So please come and enjoy with Scratch. So bye.